Hello everyone, this is Robert with HomeCraft. We're here today at 14292 Seymour in Linden. This house is fantastic. This is a 3-bedroom ranch, about 1,500 square feet, 2 full bathrooms, full basement, completely finished. We're on 5 acres, huge deck overlooking the wooded backyard with a pond. We have a 2-car attached garage, 2.5-car detached garage. You gotta check this one out, come on. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Linden home. If you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or my team at 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.